Hey everyone, I'm Aniket, and today I will show you another app which I built. The problem I faced was like my volume button was not working, and I was using like third-party app, and I had like permission issues, like what it was like taking from my device, like contact permission and all. So I thought, why not make it for my own? So I'm using like Android Studio, as you can see. I've already tested it in my device, like as you can see now. I'm testing in it emulator, so you can see it also. Uh, this is the like that. Let me just give you like some brief introduction about it. Like it is an Android application which is used to control volume. It has also so many features, like you can control Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, like you can lock your screen. You can like it has so many options. I will show you one by one. Let me just give you a quick summary about it. And for this to run, you need to provide permission to overlay on the screen, so it will run. And for the tech stack, I have already told you. And let me just show you the demo. So this is this app which I am using. As you can see, when you click on it, it will open, and it has simple like UI. I will try to like update it, but I needed to just use it, so I did not focus much on UI. Let me just show you. It has setting and it has start floating button. If you click on start floating button, it will automatically ask you to few permissions, and you have to allow it to use it. And it has settings, as you can see. And in this setting, you can either add more. You can add any much you want, any much as features you want. Like you can I have volume up, volume down, mute and lock screen. This was the main problem I was facing due to button being broken. And you can also add like brightness up, brightness down, recent tabs. Like you can use it for different purpose also. It has appearance, like you can make it small, you can make it medium, you can make it large. But to do that, I have to allow uh, and as you can see, I will keep it small. And it has transparency, like if you want it to be visual like 100%, it will be 100%, but let's just keep it low, like it will be visual less. You have UI options, like you can keep it dark, gray, purple, green, any color you want. I will keep it dark gray. It has auto hide, like it will not hide it out fully, but it will like go in dark gray, like 100 or 50 color. So let's keep it on. You can adjust it 20 second, 30 second, 5 second, whatever second you want. uh, if you want to set like position of the button, you can set it from the app only. Bottom left, you can click on any of it and it will be applied. And this is the statistics. It was not needed, but just to keep give some extra things. As you can see, I have pressed this 9 times, the button overlay one, and it has all the permissions. I will show you now. So let's just go back. And when you click on start, it will ask you some permission. If you allow it, it will appear here. As you can see, this is dark gray now. And when you click on it, it will show you some few options, like if you want to control volume. As you can see, the volume is being controlled. If you want to volume down, you can see as volume is being decreased. If you want to mute it, it will automatically mute it. And unmute it also. The emulator is having some problem, I don't know why. And this is the lock screen, it will automatically lock it. And let's just open it. And let me just show you quick settings also. Like if you want to add brightness up, it will be added, but you have to give permissions for it. And if you want to click on home screen, it will also be added. Flashlights, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are not enabled. Like it will open the app, but it will not open like toggle the button automatically, because of Android problem. Like after Android 8, we cannot play with like system, even system buttons, even system apps cannot toggle the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth button automatically. So I have it has problem with that. But if you have Android 8, then it is like possible. You want to keep it, make it bigger, you can make it. I will keep it just small. For the transparency, as I told you, you can see the transparency is being decreased or increased. For the color theme, if you want like green, you can keep it green. You can like keep it blue, red, whatever color. I like it gray one. For the auto add, like if you don't use it, it will, as you can see, did you say it? Let me just wait a few seconds. It will, you will see that the brightness is being decreased. This is the auto hide, and this is the like top left, top right. It will automatically apply if I go back. And as you can see, the total number of button pressed, and that's it for now. I guess, yeah. If you click it home screen, it will go give you the home screen. If you click it, let me just give permissions for the camera. Yeah, then only it can use flashlight. Let's just go back, and if I click flashlight now, because it is emulator, it cannot toggle flashlight, but in like your mobile it will happen. This is brightness increase. It has also brightness decrease. If you want, you can use that also. And this is like draggable, you can keep it anywhere you want. You can drag it anywhere, anywhere you want. That's it, all for it now. And if you want to contribute it, I will add it to the GitHub repo. You can just take it from here and contribute it or make it your own app. Thank you.